Most coaches and business owners are wasting hours recording videos when they could use AI to create an entire video sales letter without ever showing their face. Today in day number 10, I'm going to show you how use AI avatars, Loom recordings and simple AI tools to create high converting VSL in fraction of time. Imagine creating a full video sales letter without having expensive camera, without having anything to speak live, without expensive editors. You don't need expensive production system. I will reveal the exact tools that are required for creating this VSL.
So welcome to day number 10. Okay, so here inside this assignment, VSL creation with HeyGen. So first of all, if you see, this is a HeyGen creation. In day number 9, we have seen how we create a VSL. This is VSL script and slide deck creation. Okay, so we have a slide this one, and we have to record slide deck by slide or record a video showing our face. Okay, so there are two ways to do that. Okay, so this way record a video, it is very time consuming. It took me around 4 to 5 hours for recording one VSL because I have to take more retakes. But if I have my HeyGen avatar, okay, it takes only because I am reading the script by seeing the screen. Okay, exactly, I'm seeing the screen. I was not worried about the eye contacts, all these things. There are other tools also like the script that does the eye correction. Okay, but HeyGen is cheaper and it gives you better look. Okay, so every time you don't need to look fancy on the camera. The fancy look is given by HeyGen, the good look, and this is not in the script. So that's the thing. Okay, because you have to take good haircut, all these kind of things. But if you have a HeyGen avatar, so today in day number 10 we are going to discuss about how we create this HeyGen avatar and combine this with Loom. Okay, so whatever the Loom we have recorded, the faceless Loom, for example, we have recorded this Loom here. So we can download this Loom and we can add, we can go to HeyGen and we can convert it into this one. So this is the thing that is there. So let's see. First of all, you have to record yourself with Zoom Loom. If you have recorded videos like this here, okay, so this is a white label video. It is only the screen recorded. So you can combine this with this one. So if you check out this video, you will understand how to convert this type of video to this type of video, okay, with the Loom. So actually this video, it has my face and it will look like I have recorded a Loom. So in this way we have done this one, and we can add intro outro. The best part is that we can add intro outro to this part. And so what I am doing is I am recording my journey. So if I have recorded something, it may not be perfect one recording, but if I add intro and outro, why they should watch this, so they will understand this thing and they will watch the thing. So in day number 27, when we upload all these videos what we have created inside the Loom, we have a library of videos created inside the Loom. So we can just check out these videos and we can upload it in YouTube with adding intro and outro. So this is one way to create this. Okay, so and the whole video creation SOP, if I open this here, sorry, it is not video creation, it is avatar creation. Okay, so how we create an avatar, HeyGen avatar. So you see the sample video I have recorded. You don't have to be perfect, okay, but how your body movement will look like in the video, how your hand movement, all your looks, everything. For that you need this is the way I have recorded the sample video. Then you can do further editing also. You can remove the background and change the background to the desired background if you are not having good background. So in my case it was the same thing, and I have done that. It is the whole process. What you need to do, the 2-minute video will give you the leverage. Okay, upload a simple 2-minute video. Whatever the video you will upload, it will exactly mimic like this. Okay, so first, once it is trained, you can upload multiple HeyGen videos here. So if I show you the HeyGen part, so inside this HeyGen, these are the avatars. Okay, so once I have trained this thing, I can create up to as many as 280 looks. But I have few looks here. Whatever the video or photo you will upload, it will create a certain thing here. So you see, I have created it with photo also. So all these things, you can edit look, add motion here. So whatever the prompt you give to this photo, it will add this photo. Just on play and add motions. So you see it has created with motion. Okay, so it is playing, and it has given weird because the photo is weird, so that's why you be careful with the photos. Okay, you just do this part. So you can create up to 280 looks, and the method, this is how. This is a Loom video which I have used for cloning. Then this is the URL. This is the AI avatar creation. So you can recreate it. So it is step-by-step SOP. If you follow it, you can create a video. The thing is that it's very simple. It has some samples I have given you. Okay, so different samples videos you can have, and there is a next time also you can upload next one also, the better one. So you can start with the imperfect one and you can later put perfect one, like I have did it. Okay, so the avatar I created, I removed the background and put a beautiful background. Now my avatar looks good, my look good. So now I can create videos. So this is the good way of leverage. We record ourselves with Zoom, Loom, and if we want to send it for video editing, we do not know video editing, but we are also covering with Clipchamp, the basic video editing. Okay, but it does the good video editing. All the video editings of my videos are done with Clipchamp only. And for captions, I used Opus. Okay, so this is the way I have covered the video editing in Content Solar System. So it will come in day number 22, I think. Oh, sorry, it's in day number 23, Content Solar System. We will see that Content Solar System. So this is the thing in day number 10. Okay, see you in day number 11.
Let's summarize day number 10. We have discovered how just 2 minutes of simple recording can turn into a powerful AI avatar, and how you can edit, combine, polish your VSL for maximum impact. Then we have seen whole SOP of creating video that is better than professional looking without hiring expensive teams. Now imagine this: what if one simple video could multiply into 30 content assets that attract leads, build authority, and close client for you automatically? That's exactly why give inside 30 days cash injection challenge. You get my complete Content Solar System AI avatar done for you, VSL script, ready to use funnels, everything that you need to create daily income without paid ads. So check the description below to join this challenge now, and let's build your content empire together. Content Solar System included, and all these bonuses inside this system. See you in day number 11.